Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. Back today with another video. Today I'm going to do a little swipe that I've been doing. And today the color is magenta for the background. I'm excited about this one. Hope it looks really pretty. So I'm using Liquitex Basics, medium magenta. Okay, I mixed it up 1:1 with Floetrol. And then I add my water to loosen it and to thin it to this consistency. So it runs off my stick. A lot of people compare it to warm honey. So I did that. I have a, oh goodness, I had a 10 by 10. Yeah, it's 10 by 10 gallery wrap canvas. I taped the backs of my canvas, keep them nice and clean. So then you can just pull it off and you're ready to go. Colors today that I'm going to use are Liquitex Dioxazine Purple, a Color Shift Aqua. I have a Playful Pink, and this is by Arteza Iridescent. Sorry, the Color Shift is Folk Art. I have Pebeo Blue Black, and I have some Amsterdam Expert Series Phthalo Turquoise Blue. I may throw a little bit of this this is an AC Moore paint. It's Prussian Blue. May throw that in, I'm not sure yet. And of course, I'm gonna put in a little gold. All right, so I'm gonna lay down my base paint and I'll be back and we'll get started. All right, let's get started. I'm gonna pop some of my air bubbles. It's a pretty color. All right, so I made sure my sides are all covered. I do have a lot of extra if I need it. All right, so let's start laying down our colors. I'm going to put down my purple first. Let's see how I want to do this. I want to do it a little different, I think. I think I'm gonna go like this. Let's see what happens. Purple. Let's do the Color Shift Blue. Oh, I love this color. This used to be one of my favorite colors to paint with. Let's do a little of the Playful Pink. All right, and a little of the Blue Black by Pebeo. And the dark or Amsterdam Phthalo Turquoise. All right. Drip a little there. And I am going to do a little of the blue because I love blue and pink together. I don't know how much will come out. We'll see. And then the gold. The gold I'm just gonna sprinkle in like that. And this is the 24 karat by Deco Art. Extreme Sheen. All right. All right, so what I'm going to swipe with today, as usual, is my palette knife. And I have mixed up my cell activator in my cheese container. And this is what I've been using. It's just regular Floetrol, 4 parts Floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam white paint, titanium white. I use the little 30 milliliter cups to measure it out, the little medicine cups. So that's it. That's all it is. I mix it. No oil, nothing like that. None of my paints have any oil in them. It's just the reaction from the Floetrol that you get. And I do mix my paints with Floetrol. So a lot of people are saying that you can't do that unless you mix your paints with water. I'm finding it not a problem. So I mix my paints with my normal Floetrol mixture and the cell activator. All right, so let me just get a piece of paper. So I just put my Floetrol down on a little piece of paper so I can dip it easily. All right, and let's go. So I dipped my knife in. You can see, all right. And then I'm just going to swipe. Let's see, which way do I want to swipe? Let's go this way first. that. Oh, and then make sure you have, I mean, you can wipe it anywhere. I wipe it on my table, but I also have a little piece of paper towel. Look at that. Oh, I'm gonna dip my knife in again. I'm just gonna go up this way. And just do a couple little wispies. I always like doing them. All right. Dip in my knife. I'll get a good one there. Okay. Just didn't like that right there. Okay. And I just swiped it without the white. I don't really know why I just did that. Makes it easier to swipe when you have it on your knife. All right. And then this side. All right, so I just actually turned it around. I had my phone rang. So anyway, I turned it around and I actually like it in this orientation better, I think. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, I like it like that. I will take you down for a closer look, but this looks beautiful. I'm extremely happy with it. Love the colors. The pink is just popping. And then all the goings on in there. Really like this. Let me just torch it a little bit just because I see a few bubbles. Not too much because I don't want to bring anything up that I don't want. Okay. Really happy with this. Love it. So if you like this painting, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, if you'd like. I don't know. I have down below in the description, I have a LinkedIn button that you can click on, and it comes up with my Facebook, my Instagram, my Pinterest, all my social media sites. So you can follow me there if you'd like, because I do post other things there. I started making soap, which is really cool. And if you guys are interested in that, I did make a video, but I put it on another channel because I want to kind of keep the soap separate from my art channel. But I would love you guys to go check it out. I'll put a link in the description down below. The first soap, I only have one video, but the first soap I made, well, I mean, it's not the first soap I made, but the first video I made is a beach scene soap. And it came out pretty cool. It's not exactly what I liked. If I had it right here, you know what? I will go and get it so you can see it. Hold on one second. I'm back. So here it is. I just don't want to get anything on my painting. So it's a bar of soap, and it's not exactly as I wanted it to look. I wanted the sun a little higher, but for the most part, it came out pretty cool. And It smells so good. But anyway, pretty cool, right? So go over there and check me out. It's called The Art of Soap by Tina. That's the channel name. I'll put a link here for it. And you can check out and see how I make the soaps. Soap making is a lot like this art. You can do all different kinds of pouring. I don't know if any of you have tried it. I watch these videos and I'm like, oh, it's just so relaxing. I love making it almost as much as I like painting. There's a lot of, sometimes it gets stressful because you have to like make sure, it gets thick really quick. But look how cool that is. And they smell so nice, and they're all natural, no chemicals. So they're really nice, like lather. I mean, I have a bunch of soap made, but this is the first video. So please go check that out if you have time. All right. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again soon with another video. Bye-bye.